Hi, I'm Chef Irie.
And I'm Chef Tia. Welcome to Taste the Islands.
We're both from the Caribbean. I'm from Jamaica.
From Haiti.
And we both love to grill. And today we're going to be doing some awesome Caribbean-inspired grilling recipes. So today I have some lamb, and we're going to be doing a spicy grilled lamb with grilled plantains with a Chadon Beni sauce. Awesome. Well, let's get started. What I'd like for you to do is just season this for me. All right. So we got the red pepper flake, we got garlic, we got some coriander, black pepper, salt, and a little oil.
And I'm going to go ahead and use my hands, Chef.
Yeah, that's awesome. While you're doing that, I'm going to slice the plantains in half.
I know that you love spicy food, so I added a little bit more pepper flakes for you.
You're just a woman after my own heart, darling. So we just let that sit. Plantains are cut. And now I'm just gonna add the ingredients for the Chadon Beni. So Chadon Beni is also not just the name that's given to the actual herb itself, but it's actually the name of the sauce, the sauce that we're making. So Chadon Beni.
Beni.
Yes.
Beni in French is bless.
Could you say Beni in French? Come on, say.
Beni.
Ooh, yes. Ooh la la. So we have the green onions. We have the cilantro. We're going to add some garlic. And we're going to add a little sugar.
Oh, nice.
And a little salt. So typically, when you're using salt, I like to use kosher salt.
I love working with it because it's actually easier for me to know how much salt I'm putting to it.
Exactly. So a little pepper. And now what I'm going to do, if you could just cut those two for me.
Yes, Chef.
And I'm going to cut up some Scotch bonnet. And we're going to add this to the food processor. All right, so the limes are cut, and we're just going to squeeze them in. Now, get them going. Add the oil. So it's almost similar to the chimichurri where you have the texture. There's another sauce that I'm making. I almost forgot. This is what you do to me every time I grill with you. Yes.
Sorry, Chef. Sorry. So tell me that other sauce.
The Chadon Beni sauce actually goes with the plantain. And I have another sauce. I'm making a mint guava sauce that goes with the lamb. So I'm going to go ahead and taste this, and just to see if we have enough seasoning in the sauce. The seasoning was spot on. So what I'm going to do now is just put this in a bowl. Good. So guess what? I'm going to go to the grill. So, Chef Tia, I'll see you in a little bit.
Okay.
Hi, we're back at the grill, and I want to start the guava mint sauce. So already I started with some orange juice and a little bit of the guava. So this is guava paste. To that, we'll add some chopped onions, chopped garlic, a few mint leaves, pepper and salt, then give it a stir. So we're going to start the lamb. I have a little oil here. I'm going to dip this paper in it, and just we're going to lightly oil the grill. All right. So this is our lamb. Well, that's a good sure tell sign that the grill is nice and hot and it's ready. That sizzle. You want to always hear that sizzle. Now, one of the things that you want to do when you put this on the grill, leave it. Don't move it. Let it sit for about 4 minutes, and then you may want to just turn it over, flip it over. So we're going to add just a little oil over the plantains. Now the plantains here, they were semi-ripe, not all the way through. And what I'm going to do now, just a little pepper and a little salt. We're going to start with the cut side down on the grill so we can get some nice grill marks in those. And this is exactly what you're looking for, some nice grill marks on the lamb. I'm going to flip the plantains, just like this. See the nice grill marks? That is exactly what we want. So the grill marks are down, and we're going to let this cook for another 5 minutes, and then we're going to take it off, and we should be ready to go. So see you in a little bit. So in front of you, we have grilled lamb.
Okay.
And it's served over grilled plantains with a guava mint sauce.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's a guava mint sauce.
This has got to be delicious.
It's really good, Chef. Really, really good.
This is delicious. Well, number one, you cooked it perfectly, of course, as expected. But the guava mint sauce is adding a nice sweet and freshness to it.
Awesome.
And
And of course, we know we're feeling that little spice to it too.
Definitely.
So the sauce in the bottom is a Chadon Beni sauce.
It's hot, it's fiery, but it's like there's a sweetness.
So while you're
From Taste the Island's Essentials, enjoy 50 favorite Jamaican recipes and 50 favorite Haitian recipes, available on Amazon.com. Traditional and gourmet Caribbean recipes, information on ethnic ingredients, and more are online at TasteTheIslandsTV.com and on the Taste the Islands app. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest.